and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a colouring video, and this is going to be a new type of video, also a different playlist, so please get in tune with that. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, put on the notification bell and leave any comments below for any colouring videos or anything you want me to colour in and try out. So I'm going to be colouring in this Pusheen. This is like if you're bored, have nothing to watch, so you can just watch me do this colouring. Please watch till the end and like this video. Thank you. So let's get started. In this, I'm going to be using my colouring pencils, some felt tip pens, and just some other colouring pencils. You can also use crayons if you want to. So yeah, but also please go check out my other reviews on the stuff, because there is quite a lot of reviews that I've done on stationery. So we shall begin. Please leave in the comments below if you want me to try out any other colourings. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody.